welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we're going to be talking about what is it that you're really trying to say with your artwork. You know, does it have a kind of underlying theme? So maybe you got a sketch, maybe you got a concept, maybe you've got several sketches that you've outlined and stuff. And you've got a subject matter, composition, all that kind of stuff. But what is it that you're really trying to say? Because as you know, artwork's so much more than just about the subject. It's about connecting with the viewer and connecting on an emotional level through, you know, visual elements. Granted, you may be executing a painting of a still life with flowers and stuff like that, but what kind of connection does that have to the viewer? Because maybe you're using color to establish mood, or maybe the way that you're composing it where the flowers are really, really tight into the foreground and you can see deep into each of the petals. Maybe it creates intimacy or closeness and stuff. What is it that you're trying to say with your piece aside from just subject? So take a look at your sketches and where you're going with a piece and try to imagine all the way through to the end about how does this feel to the viewer when they're looking at it, and try and figure out exactly what it is that you're trying to say. It can bring a whole lot of more enjoyment and also visual interest to what you're doing if it has some kind of conversation between you and the viewer and can make it that much more meaningful for you. So enjoy.